Welcome to the Range Use and Care video series. In this video segment, we'll be covering cleaning the gas cooktop, grates, control knobs, burners, and the igniter after use. For demonstration purposes, today we'll be using the 36-inch gas range model HR 1936G in our demonstration kitchen. The appearance and arrangement of your model may differ. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. It's important to observe all safety precautions and proper cleaning procedures. There's a risk of burning or scalding due to hot burners. The burners will be hot after use. Turn off the cooktop and allow the cooktop to cool down before cleaning. Please refer to your operating instructions regarding all cautions related to cleaning and care. Do not use a steam cleaner to clean the cooktop. There's a risk of damage due to moisture penetration. The steam from steam cleaning machines could reach live electrical components and cause a short circuit. All surfaces could be discolored or damaged if unsuitable cleaning agents are used. All surfaces are susceptible to scratching. Remove all cleaning residues immediately. Do not clean with any abrasives or sharp-pointed objects. Clean the cooktop after every use, allowing it to cool down first. To avoid damage to the surface of your range, do not use any of the following: cleaning agents containing soda, ammonia, acids, or chlorides, cleaning agents containing descaling agents, stain or rust removers, abrasive cleaning agents such as powder cleaners or cream cleaners, solvent-based cleaning agents, dishwasher cleaner, grill and oven sprays, glass cleaners, hard abrasive brushes or sponges, such as pot scourers or sponges which have been previously used with abrasive cleaning agents, sharp objects which may allow the seal between the frame and countertop to get damaged. The surfaces of the burner components and grates will lose some of their luster over time. This is completely normal and does not indicate damage to the material. Again, in order to maintain optimal performance, it's important to clean your range after each use. Okay, let's start cleaning your Miele range. If your particular model has a grill, remove the grill grate for cleaning at this point. After use, allow the grill grate to cool before cleaning. Once cool, remove any excess grease using a dry paper towel. Remove the grill grate. The grill grate is very heavy. Please use caution when removing, carrying, and reinstalling the grill grate. If heavily soiled, allow the grate to soak first. If necessary, use a suitable brush to remove the soiling. Wash the grill grate using hot water, some liquid dish soap, and a soft sponge. We'll now rinse thoroughly and dry. Now, let's carefully put the cleaned grill grate back into place. For models with the griddle plate like the one we're demonstrating today, let's go ahead and clean this now. You should always loosen coarse soiling immediately with the spatula and scrape grease and residue into the grease catch pan when done cooking. When the griddle is cooled down, remove any excess grease with a paper towel. Remove the grease catch pan and empty it. Clean the grease catch pan with a soft sponge, liquid dish soap, and warm water. Wipe off the griddle plate with clean water and dry it with a clean, dry cloth. You can clean stubborn soiling off the griddle plate with the rough side of a dish sponge and a few drops of Miele ceramic and stainless steel cleaner. See optional accessories. Now, let's rub some vegetable oil on the griddle plate, which should be done after every cleaning. Now let's put the cleaned catch pan back into place. Now that the griddle plate has been cleaned, let's move on to removing and cleaning the burner caps and grates. Let's start by removing the grates and place them to the side. And now remove the burner caps. Using a soft sponge, clean all removable burner parts with a solution of warm water and a small amount of liquid dish soap. Let's start by cleaning the burner caps. The burner caps are not dishwasher safe. We'll now rinse thoroughly and dry. Do the same for all the burner caps. Now we'll do the same for the burner grates. Clean the grates using a soft sponge, warm water, and a small amount of liquid dish soap. If necessary, the rough side of a kitchen sponge can be used to assist in cleaning the grates. If the grates are heavily soiled, soak them in a solution of warm soapy water first. Rinse and dry the grates thoroughly. And the same with the second grate. Before reinstalling the burner caps and grates, let's thoroughly clean all burner parts that can't be removed. In order to provide an even, consistent flame, it's important to clean the burner thoroughly. Allow the burner and burner grate to cool before cleaning. We'll be using a cleaning brush to clean each burner. If you have a Miele CVA coffee system, this is the same brush used to clean the coffee system pipework. It may also be purchased separately from our website at mieleusa.com. Prepare a cup of warm water mixed with a small amount of liquid dish soap. Using the cleaning brush and the soapy solution, clean the burner openings. It's important that the igniters are also kept clean of grease and other cooking residue. The cleaning brush can also be used to clean the ceramic igniters, like so. Again, make sure the igniters are totally wiped dry after cleaning. It is also important to inspect and clean the orifices in the burner behind the igniter. This can be easily missed and is crucial in improving the mixture of air and gas. There are also small openings between the upper and lower plate in the burner that could get clogged from spillovers. Ensure that they are cleaned as well. Now, wipe the burners down with a clean, damp sponge. Wipe the burner and dry it thoroughly using a clean, dry cloth. Repeat this process for all 4 burners. Again, make sure the igniter is wiped dry after cleaning. If the igniter is wet, it will not spark and the burner will not light. Make sure the burners are thoroughly dry and ensure that the burner holes are free of debris. Now, before reinstalling burner caps and grates, clean the cooktop with a clean, damp cloth. Pre-soak any stubborn dirt or grime before cleaning. Dry the appliance thoroughly to help prevent lime deposits. Food that is spilled onto a hot cooktop can cause the burner components to become discolored. Immediately remove all spilled food as well as all salt and sugar splatters. Now that everything is cleaned and dried, let's reinstall the burner caps and grates. Make sure the burner caps are installed correctly. The burner caps must be centered securely on each burner. Let's place the burner grates back on the range. Now, let's move on to the last stage of cleaning your range after use, cleaning the control knobs. Do not remove the burner control knobs for cleaning. They may be cleaned while installed on the range. Do not clean the burner control knobs with stainless steel cleaner. The burner control knobs may become discolored if they are not cleaned regularly. Clean the knobs with a soft, damp sponge, warm water, and a small amount of liquid dish soap. The sponge only needs to be damp. Complete this procedure for each knob. Dry the knobs thoroughly after cleaning. This concludes this range use and care video presentation. Everything covered in this video is also available in your operating instructions. Be sure to check out the full selection of Miele products available for your appliance by visiting our website or your local authorized Miele dealer. Please be sure to check back for future instructional videos, and thanks for watching.